Welcome to Hawkeye's Tales and Trails. Okay, that was Davenport, California.
As life during the COVID-19 era continued to change our lives, ride along with Hawkeye and Jeannie as they continue their journey visiting many cities, communities, and towns in California to see what is really going on. Witness how these communities are dealing with the COVID-19 pandemic and their struggle to stay healthy and escape the economic crush and reopen their doors for business. Also, some focus on what being on the road is like and living the #vanlife. Remember, home is where you park it. Being quarantined, safe at home, sucks. Please take this opportunity to click the subscribe button to be notified of future episodes. Please click the thumb up icon. Share this video with someone. I am Delmer, the announcer. Currently Hawkeye and Jeannie are still traveling northbound on California Highway 1. This map shows the progress and stops made by Hawkeye and Jeannie and the route traveled.
You left a tip for the maid?
I did.
Good, thank you.
$6.
Right. But a lot of the expense is on quality tipping. We tipped really well this trip.
Yeah, that's a good thing.
So we shared our money. Yeah, that's a good thing.
Glad we are able to do that.
Yeah, I am too. So think about that too when you look at the overall bill.
Yeah. And that's being godlike, going out, making an injection into the economy. Yeah, last place we were at, they were closed, just opened up 3 weeks ago, which is a lot more than most that we visited.
I'm still trying to figure out this approach about the surcharge, and they called it for the employees' benefit exactly like norms. They did the same thing. And what it is, it just means everything costs more, but rather than reflecting the prices, they just put a lump sum, and then they call it something else.
And service fees.
To support. If we had everybody out, there'd be no place, and there still wasn't any place. Sally Ford. See, it's a Jenner. There must have been more to Jenner than what we saw.
And then Jenner used to be a guy, and now she's a chick. A dangerous intersection. I don't think they have enough traffic around here to be dangerous.
Yeah, people are not paying attention. They don't care if the tsunami gets us.
We have a choice to not stay here. communities named Kingstown.
Oh, okay.
Looks like there might be more than one park here.
What's this thing? Gil Bythey. And there's nobody there. What, did they close down? I'm just no parking. Kingstown, and so this is the community of Kingstown.
Yeah. King salmon is right there.
He's not my president.
Huh?
Always reading his bumper sticker. He's not my president.
There's one empty set there. Yes, Johnny's. Well, between the two, which one you like the best?
I'd be afraid to leave the site for fear we get ripped off.
You want to jet up to the casino?
I don't know. This is kind of an armpit. We should just stay where we were last night. We didn't get very far. What time is it?
It's 3:15.
God, Bob, if we took off while we're running back and forth.
It's okay, man. You want to cruise for a while or what?
If you do, it's up to you. But Pacifica is right over there.
Okay, is that where you want to go?
Well, that's the one I called. But yeah, I can cruise with you if you want to cruise. Let's go that way then. The beach is that way. 3 fat guys. What is that? Beach. Have you done Grover Beach before?
Yeah.
Yeah. And what What's the next beach? Oceano or?
Oceano and then Aurora Grande.
Pretty fat guy. Looks like it might be like that Bad Bubba Best Barbecue or something.
Approaching a railroad crossing.
Not for waves. Nail spa. Typhoon Sister Kitchen. Is that the pier or what is that? What's this one?
It's going back to Pismo.
Should we be going south?
Yeah, we should.
Why are we going this way then?
I really don't know.
10 p.m. to 6 p.m. a.m. Let's get on the road because you're just wasting time there.
Okay. She looks cool.
Watch it.
Get over on your own side, dude.
I remember eating here before.
Yeah, I was thinking this looks familiar.
You can't go that way, so let's go.
Well, I'm waiting on these guys. They may not be aware of that.
You don't think the fence would give it away?
No.
Listen, you're not going to get to smoke until we get settled, so let's move it.
It's almost 7.
Yep.
So it'll be sunset in an hour and
Let's get on the main street and head south, okay?
a half. Okay.
Quit wasting time.
How about 101? Go down to Kingston or something.
What is down? Okay.
It goes into Lompoc.
Yeah, we don't want to go there. There is a Motel 6 and a Super 8 down at Oceano.
Yeah, look at that fireworks stand.
Yeah, look at that. Huh. Where have they gone? Well, I can tell you for a fact it might be Class C explosives. You've been arrested on that before.
Yeah, you were. Okay, take 2. Here we are, Oceanside, California. It's the last week in July. Monday, to be a little more specific there. I think it's the 27th. But this is, we're commemorate our very first stealth campout. Hey Google, what is stealth camping?
On the website youtube.com, they say, stealth camping is the act of secretly camping in a public or private area and moving on the next morning without being detected.
We're like, kind of like in a residential area. And we're going to spend the night here. It's totally cool because there's a parking spot here. Got the door opened up so we can look at the ocean. You can hear the ocean. You can even smell the ocean. No COVID symptoms here. All right. Kind of weird landscaping, but it's okay. You know, we're gonna in the morning cruise over to Moon Beach, next to what they call Swanee Beach, down Leucadia. Oh man.